everyone, my name is Grace Elton and I'm CEO of Tower Hill Botanic Garden in Boylston, Massachusetts. It is an exceptionally beautiful spring day here at the garden, and there's so many things in bloom. I really can't wait to share them with you. Starting off, right behind me is a saucer magnolia called Alexandrina, and it's just so gorgeous with these big, beautiful pink and white flowers. There's so much more around the garden though, so let's get going and take a walk. This is our daffodil field, which has over 20,000 blooming daffodils. It's a little past its peak at this point, but it still is putting on an amazing show. In the winter garden ellipse, we have tons of things blooming. We've got lots of different colors of tulips. We have hyacinth that just smell incredible. And I really like how the horticulture staff has mixed bloom sequence here. So we've got things that are in full bloom, and then all of these tulips are just about to bloom, so we'll have a really long, beautiful show. It's fun to notice plants not just when they're in full bloom, but also when they're ready to bloom. So this crabapple, for example, has these beautiful pink buds that are ready to burst into beautiful white flowers. But I really like to appreciate them at this time of year, right before they burst open. Here's a viburnum that has really, really showy flower buds. This one's Viburnum Carly Zi. This is a winter heath that still is in full bloom. It's Erica carnea pink spangles, and I hope you all can see all the pollinators that are nectaring on this. I see lots of different types of sweat bees, honey bees, and bumblebees all going for that nectar. Here in the cottage garden, we have a couple shade-loving perennials. We've got Virginia bluebells next to yellow trout lily. They're underneath the shade of an umbrella pine, and they're very happy here. This is a beautiful combination of yellows. We have a Tazetta daffodil called Minnow. Creeping along the ground is Sedum Angelina, and then we have Arenea basket of gold filling in between. Thanks so much for spending your day with me here at Tower Hill Botanic Garden. I hope you're also getting outside and finding signs of spring in your own garden, and we really can't wait to have you back here at the garden as soon as possible.